Hi guys, welcome to another episode with your boy Phrankleen. Yamarita, it's a very simple recipe. So I'm going to show you, I've got my already sliced and clean yam here. So that's just going to go straight into my pot, as you can see. And I'm going to add some water. I've already boiled this just to quicken the process. Okay, so we're going to boil this for about 5 minutes. Okay, this is going to be on fire for 5 minutes. Add a bit more water, and I've got a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar. Okay, that goes in. So I've got the yam slices in here, as you can see. I've got 2 eggs here, okay, 2 big eggs mixed in a bowl, and I've got a bit of flour in here, right? So I'm going to just add a tiny bit of black pepper. It's up to you. You can just add a little bit of salt. You know, that's just my preference, just a little bit. And I've got this all-purpose seasoning, just a tiny bit left. I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit, okay? Like that. And then you take each yam slice, you roll it in the egg mixture, okay? Like so. And you put it in the flour mixture, roll it nicely, get it properly covered. Once you get it properly covered, you bring it back in the egg mixture, like so, and you just set it aside in the plate, and you repeat the process with the rest. I'm gonna put them in a deep fryer. Just get them fried until they're golden brown. All right. There you go. Say no one else can touch my heart as you do. I have searched through all eternity, Lord. There is none like you, yeah. Say there is none like you, yeah. No, 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 no. No one else can touch my heart as you do. So I'm just gonna make bit of space so they can fry properly. Okay, because there's a tendency of them sticking together. Right, so we're gonna let them fry. Here you go, guys. Here's my Yamarita served with fried chicken stew. Dead easy to make. Look at that. Yum.